Did you know that nearly 70% of major car breakdowns could have been prevented with just basic maintenance? It's not luck. It's knowing the simple steps that most drivers completely ignore. Today, I'm going to show you how to stay out of that 70% and keep your first car running like new, without wasting money or making costly mistakes. Don't skip a second, because even one missed habit could quietly turn your dream car into a nightmare. The 5 basic fluid checks. Mastering the 5 essential fluid checks is like learning to breathe before running a marathon. Skipping them just isn't an option. Your engine, transmission, brakes, cooling system, and your steering all depend on fluids staying at the right level, the right condition, and the right attitude. Start with engine oil. It's your car's lifeblood. One quick glance at the dipstick can reveal if you're golden, or dangerously close to turning your engine into a very expensive paperweight. But oil isn't the only silent hero working under the hood. Transmission fluid is just as critical, keeping your gear shift smooth and drama-free. Ignore it, and one day, instead of driving to work, you'll be dialing for a tow truck because your car decided it's stuck in neutral life crisis. And then there's coolant, that colorful liquid we often forget. Until your temperature gauge suddenly rockets to the moon. Coolant protects against freezing winters, boiling summers, and unexpected roadside breakdowns. A low or dirty coolant reservoir isn't just a bad sign, it's your car quietly pleading for help. Brake fluid might not sound glamorous, but when you hit the brakes at 60 miles per hour, you're trusting that thin liquid to perform under pressure. Literally. Let it get old, dirty, or low, and you're gambling with your stopping power. Spoiler alert, that's not a bet you want to lose. Lastly, don't forget about power steering fluid, the often forgotten MVP that makes turning your car feel like slicing through butter instead of wrestling a bear. Low or leaking fluid here won't just make parking a nightmare, it could lead to expensive pump repairs if you don't catch it early. The real secret? These fluids don't scream when something's wrong, they whisper. A quick peek once a month can save you thousands in repairs and keep your first car running like a dream. Battery maintenance. Your car's battery is the unsung hero, quietly working behind the scenes to fire up your engine, power your lights, and keep your music blasting on the road. Until it doesn't. And that's when the real panic sets in. The smart move is to take 1 minute every month to pop the hood and give the battery a quick check. Look for any white, crusty stuff growing around the terminals. That's corrosion, not a science experiment you want to watch unfold. A simple cleaning with a brush and baking soda solution can save you from the dreaded dead start moment. Also, keep an eye on the battery case itself. Any swelling, cracking, or leaking is your car's polite way of telling you, hey, I'm about to quit, permanently. And if your battery's pushing past 3 to 5 years of age, don't wait for the coldest morning of the year to find out it's dead. Bonus move, carry a small jump starter pack in your trunk. They're cheap, they fit in your glove box, and they turn a disaster into a minor inconvenience you can laugh about later. Tires and brakes. Your tires and brakes are the only things standing between you and a very bad day. Forget horsepower and fancy touchscreens. If your tires and brakes aren't healthy, you're just asking for trouble. Start with your tires. A quick pressure check once a month isn't just about saving fuel. It's about making sure you actually have traction when you need it most. An underinflated tire handles like a marshmallow on roller skates, and overinflated tires one pothole away from popping like a party balloon. And don't just check pressure, inspect the tread. If it's so worn you can see George Washington's entire head on a quarter. It's time for new tires before the road decides for you. Now onto brakes, the real silent guardians. Soft pedal, strange squealing, car pulling when you stop. Those aren't random quirks. Those are warning signs. Brake pads wear down slowly, and if you ignore them long enough, you're not just replacing pads. You're shelling out for new rotors and possibly a whole lot more. Master these filters' maintenance. Your car's filters are its lungs and lifelines. The engine air filter protects your engine from inhaling dirt and debris that could wreck performance and fuel economy. A clogged filter chokes your car just like dust blocks your breathing. The cabin air filter works the same way for you, filtering out pollution, pollen, and all the lovely bugs and grime you don't want blasting through your vents. And then there's the fuel filter, the quiet defender of your fuel system, catching dirt before it ever reaches the engine. Filters don't scream when they're dirty. They just silently rob your car of power, efficiency, and clean air. Keeping them fresh means better performance, better health, and way fewer expensive surprises down the line. Spotting small problems earlier. One of the smartest habits you can build when learning to maintain a car is paying attention to the little things before they turn into big, expensive ones. A tiny oil stain under your car, a weird noise when you turn, a slight change in how the brakes feel. These are not random accidents. They're your car whispering for help. Catch them early, and you fix small problems with small money. If you ignore them, and you'll be handing over a giant check to a repair shop, wondering where it all went wrong. Stay sharp, stay curious, and your car will stay loyal. Build a simple DIY emergency kit. Another step for your car maintenance is a simple DIY emergency kit tucked away, ready for the unexpected. A good kit isn't complicated. A tire inflator, a compact jump starter, a flashlight, a basic tool set, gloves, and some duct tape can handle 90% of roadside surprises. Add a first aid kit and an extra phone charger, and you're basically unstoppable. It's not about being paranoid. It's about turning stranded and helpless into 5-minute pit stop and back on the road. A small investment now could be the reason you get home safe when the unexpected hits. Easy to follow maintenance schedule. You don't need complicated spreadsheets. A simple reminder every month to check fluids, tires, and battery keeps you ahead of 90% of problems. Every 6 months, rotate your tires and inspect your brakes. Once a year, change your filters, flush old fluids if needed, and give your car a full walk-around inspection from headlights to tailpipe. A few minutes here and there can add years to your car's life, save you thousands of dollars, and keep every drive feeling just like the first day you bought it. Treat your car right from day one, and it'll treat you even better for years to come. If this video helped you, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with a new driver who needs to hear this.